Carlito? Wait! Where did it go? Huh? It was just here! A tiny white crystal that fell from the sky.
You mean a snowflake?
That was a snowflake? I've never seen one before. We've never had snow in Sunny Isle. But now it's gone.
Don't worry. There's plenty more where that came from. Looks like we'll have a cold winter festival.
Winter festival?
Come on, follow me.
Whoa! What's going on?
Every year, we get together to decorate the clubhouse and exchange presents.
That sounds like so much fun! Can I join you guys?
Of course you can.
Hey, Howie. Could you help me put these on the tree?
I'd love to!
Yay! Oh no! Howie's going to sneeze!
I brought fruits.
Look out, Roxy!
Oh.
Roxy, are you okay? What have I done? I'm so sorry, everybody.
It's okay. We still have some snacks left. I'll go get them.
Yup. We can still have a great winter festival. It's too cold.
Ow! The fruits are all frozen.
Oh no! This is a disaster! The tree is destroyed and we're all freezing! Should we call our friends for help?
Great idea, Howie. Huh.
What happened? Uh-oh! It's so cold that the machine is frozen stiff.
Oh no! Can you fix it, Howie?
I could if I had my tools. I'll just head out and grab them real quick.
No, Howie. It's much too cold for you to head out right now.
Maybe we should just give up on this year's winter festival.
Don't give up just yet, everyone. As long as we're together, we can still make this a wonderful winter festival.
Yeah, but what do we do about the cold?
Aha! I have just the thing. Ta-da! Our own mini volcano. Perfect for keeping us all nice and toasty.
This is perfect, Howie.
It looks just like a tree, too.
If only we could decorate it somehow.
We can help you with that.
Blue, Tiny, Mazu, Rocky.
What are you guys doing here?
No winter festival is complete without our friends, so we came to celebrate it together with everyone.
You guys are more than welcome.
There, all done.
Hooray! All right! Thanks for not giving up on this year's winter festival. You've saved the holiday.
Uh-huh.
Celebrating the winter festival with my friends makes me feel warm and fuzzy on the inside and the outside.